Hello guys, welcome to First Step Innovation, and today we are going to make smart door lock system project, and for that we require following components like Arduino Nano, relay, RFID module, breadboard, buzzer, LED, adapter cable and few jumper wires. And for the circuit wiring, you can see the circuit diagram. Make sure to do the circuit wiring correctly, otherwise you may not get the resultant output and your relay or modules will not work. After assembling the project, for running this project we need to upload code, and for that purpose we have to install Arduino IDE software, which is available in Play Store or Google. Make sure to download the updated version. This is the code for this project. You can also check the wiring by looking at this code. Now coming towards the working of this project. Look at the working. As the door opens, the LED blinks and you can also hear a tick sound. So this is how you can make your own smart door lock system. Thank you. Like, share, subscribe and follow us for more. Bye bye.